Jai Srimanarayana. 16th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Avibhaktancha bhuteshu vibhaktamivacha sthitam भूतभर्तृ च तज्ज्ञेयं ग्रसिष्णु प्रभविष्णु च। ॐ Though you are not able to recognize, but you are recognizably different in nature from all the elements, from all the bodies that you are going through, from all the changes that are happening in your body. Now, start recognizing yourself as different from all the elements and from your body and from all the changes that are happening in your body. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall realize that I am different from all the elements. I am different from my body. I am different from all the changes that are happening in my body. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamruta drava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamakrityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 243rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, Hey Bhagavan, from unknown time till today, there are so many great scholars. They have done so many yajnas, yagas, to satisfy you. But Yatruptayedyapi nachalam advaraha, you were not satisfied with them. whereas you have satisfied by drinking the milk of the cows in Nandavraj, by taking the mother feeding of all the mothers in Nandavraj, when you became as baby cows and baby boys. Hey Bhagavan, you have satisfied very well. You have accepted that milk very well. How fortune, how greatly all those people in Nandavraj are fortune. Aho bhagyam, Nandagopavrajau Yenmitram Paramanandam Purnam Brahmasanatanam Paripurnam Bun Puranam Bun Paramanandam Bun Brahmame Chelikadu Arudarudu Nandagosha Sthira Janamula Bhagya Rekha Chintimpangan. All the people who lives in Nandavraj, the residents of Nandavraj, how greatly they are fortunate, because the one you are, Parabrahma, you are a manifestation, personification, embodiment of joy, eternal joy. And you are the one who is all pervasive Parabrahma. Such Parabrahma, you became a friend to everyone in Nandavraj. That is how they are greatly fortunate. This is an extraordinary gift that you gave to everyone in Nandavraj. Oh Krishna, their fortune, their luck. I am not able to imagine being a Vidhata. I can't even imagine how fortunate they are. Aho bhagyam, aho bhagyam. Like that Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishna Deva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 16th sloka. Avibhaktancha bhuteshu vibhaktamiva cha sthitam bhuta bhartru cha tadnyeyam grasishnu prabhavishnu cha. Avibhaktancha bhuteshu vibhaktamiva cha sthitam bhuta bhartru cha tadnyeyam grasishnu prabhavishnu cha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.